Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. Today we're going to start a new project and let's take a look, see what's going on. It's October 3rd and today we're going to try to grow some mangoes. Now, mangoes, they actually look like, the seeds look like giant beans, lima beans or something. But anyway, in order to grow these, first thing we've got to do is we need to get this out of its little case here. Now, I do this with scissors. You might have something else that makes it easy for you. I just cut the side, and this one I actually cut part of the bean, which I didn't intend to. I'm sure it's not enough to harm it. But anyway, you'll take this out. Once you take this out, you're going to want to take this membrane off. Now, it will germinate with that on there, but it takes it a whole lot longer to start coming out. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean this membrane off here, and I'm just going to use the scissors to kind of, once I get it scraped, it'll come off. Now, some comes off easier. This is just the one that I decided to do while I was filming. It's going to be a whole lot harder, and we don't care. It's usually easier where it's from this end, but we're just going to peel this off so that everything's exposed to start this thing to growing. I'll finish up here and get my other one finished up too. Now I've got some a media here. This is just what I use a lot when I pot up my little trees and stuff. This is just a third compost, a third peat moss, and a third perlite. And what we're going to do is we're going to take one of these seeds, we're going to fill it pretty much all but just an inch or two. We're going to put this seed in here, push it down, and we're going to put some more on top, and we're going to push it down. We want to make good contact to it, and then we'll label this and water it in, and I'm sure it won't be too long, and we'll see what it looks like. It's been 18 days, and we're starting to see a little life here with our mangoes. As you can see, we have one germinating there, and we have one germinating right here. So we do have a certain amount of success. We have some grass germinating in here too. We'll get rid of that. Okay. But we have two of the seeds that are germinating right now after 18 days, and I'm sure we'll have the rest. Now, these were outside. It was getting kind of cool, so I brought them inside. And they definitely won't stay on this shelf very long because they do seem to grow fairly quick. So I'll have to move these out to the greenhouse pretty soon. It's now 23 days. This is October 26th. And after 23 days, and you can see it's different speeds of growth here. This is the first one to come up, and it's doing good. We have one there. We have another one right there. And now this one, something had ate the top off it. I don't know if a grasshopper got in here or what. The others two haven't germinated yet, but I'm sure it won't be long. But anyway, that's the start of the mango tree. You can see it's easy to grow these from seeds. If you want to see more of my videos, well, of course, just hit that subscribe. Hit the bell so you'll be notified. Give it a big thumbs up and share this video. It helps my channel. Happy gardening.